Hello everyone, it's a dry and day with blue sky. I haven't been able to come out and feel a bit dizzy in the past few days, I don't know why. And so today I thought I'll come out, walk around. So there's some berries. I think they're elderberry because there were flowers in the past, in 3 months ago, and it's fragrant, and I thought they were blueberry. And there's a bird. This is my little shortcut walking path. I've noticed they always had birds on these big trees, and there were about 20 of them earlier, but now I think they all flew away. I like birds, especially when they're singing. I think it's very relaxing. Found most people think the same. There is a plane there, the little white one is an airplane, I think. Notice that. It's quite beautiful silver color. Look at the sky. And I thought I better come out earlier before the sun disappears and get dark really quick. Always all the birds. Oh, that is a seagull, I think. Airplanes are there. Yeah. Oh, bird, come over. Oh. Hope they have a good Christmas too. I'll stop here. Bye bye.